Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Get ready for a potential bombshell that could completely change the way you interact with your smart home. Are you ready to pay for Alexa? That's right. Rumors are swirling that Amazon might start charging a monthly fee for a premium, AI-powered version of Alexa this month. I know. Hold on to your hats. Is Amazon about to kill off the golden goose? Let's dive deep and see what's really going on. Okay, so here's the deal. For years, Alexa has been the free, friendly voice in your Echo devices. But now, sources are saying Amazon is planning a major update that will introduce a subscription fee, reportedly between $5 and $10 a month, for a new, souped-up Alexa powered by generative AI. Think ChatGPT or Gemini, but living inside your smart speaker. This new Alexa promises more natural conversations, more complex task management, and even proactive assistance. But there's a catch. The free, classic Alexa will likely stay, but development on it will reportedly slow down. Are you willing to pay for a smarter Alexa? Or is this the beginning of the end for Amazon's voice assistant dominance? Let's break down the potential consequences, starting with the direct impact on core users and Amazon itself. First, user adoption. Power users who crave the latest and greatest AI features might jump at the chance to subscribe. Imagine Alexa actually being able to manage your emails, place complex orders, and anticipate your needs before you even ask. But other users, maybe those who just use Alexa for basic tasks like setting timers or playing music, might stick with the free version, at least for now. Over time, the feature gap between the free and paid versions will likely widen, potentially pushing more users towards that subscription. For Amazon, this is all about revenue. A $5 to $10 monthly fee per user could generate a significant new income stream, addressing the long-standing challenge of monetizing Alexa. But here's the kicker. Amazon will shift its development focus to the premium version. That means classic Alexa is basically going to be put on life support. Think about that. No new features, no improvements, just the bare minimum. Are you ready to be left behind? But here's a huge risk: subscription churn. Amazon needs to continuously prove the value of this premium service. If the AI is unreliable, if it hallucinates, if it fails to deliver on its promises, subscription cancellations could be through the roof. And let's not forget about market perception. Alexa has always been seen as a free, readily accessible assistant. Introducing a paywall could lead to negative public sentiment, especially if it's handled poorly. Imagine the headlines: Amazon greed, charging for basic Alexa features. Amazon needs to tread carefully here. This could be a PR nightmare waiting to happen. Now, let's look at the impact on adjacent industries. Google, Apple, and other smart home and AI assistant providers are watching Amazon like hawks. They'll likely adjust their strategies accordingly. This could mean developing their own premium AI offerings, or doubling down on free, ad-supported models. The perceived value of Alexa-enabled devices could also fluctuate. If the premium version offers significant advantages, it could drive sales of compatible devices. But if the subscription model is a flop, it could hurt the entire Alexa ecosystem. And the use of generative AI in Alexa puts pressure on competitors to invest heavily in these technologies for their own assistants. Get ready for an AI assistant arms race. Speaking of an arms race, a feature race could ensue, with companies constantly trying to one-up each other with new AI-powered capabilities. But all this AI power comes with a huge responsibility. Increased use of generative AI raises serious concerns about misinformation, bias, and those dreaded hallucinations. Imagine Alexa giving you completely wrong information about your medication, or telling your kids something inappropriate. Companies need to invest in safety measures and ethical guidelines to prevent these scenarios. This isn't just about convenience. It's about trust and responsibility. And finally, let's talk about the socio-economic impact. The introduction of a paid premium service could exacerbate the digital divide. Lower-income individuals may be priced out of accessing the most advanced AI assistant features. This isn't just about having a fancy gadget. It's about access to information, convenience, and potentially even job opportunities. As Alexa becomes more capable of tasks like writing emails and ordering food, there may be concerns about potential job displacement in certain sectors. And the increased complexity of AI-powered Alexa raises further questions about data privacy and security. Are we ready to trust an AI with even more personal information? Increased reliance on AI assistants could further shift societal expectations regarding convenience and automation. We might become even more dependent on technology for everyday tasks. And that means we need to develop greater AI literacy to understand the capabilities and limitations of these assistants, as well as the ethical implications of their use. Governments may need to develop new regulations and policies to address the social and economic challenges posed by increasingly advanced AI assistants, including issues of data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement. This isn't just a tech story, it's a societal shift. Okay, let's talk about the potential risks. The biggest one? AI hallucinations. This new Alexa relies on generative AI, just like ChatGPT and Gemini. A major risk is that Alexa could generate incorrect, nonsensical, or even offensive information. Imagine asking Alexa for a recipe, and it tells you to add bleach. This could damage user trust and lead to serious frustration. The technology is still inconsistent in many areas. Alexa's performance might be unreliable, with inconsistent responses to similar queries or unpredictable behavior. Are you willing to risk relying on an AI that might just make stuff up? A major update involving AI and new features introduces the likelihood of bugs and technical glitches. These could range from minor inconveniences to critical failures that disrupt Alexa's functionality. Imagine your smart home completely failing because of a software bug. Integrating the new AI-powered Alexa with existing Alexa-enabled devices and services could also present technical challenges. Compatibility issues or performance degradation on older devices are possible, and handling more complex queries and potentially sensitive tasks increases the risk of data breaches or privacy violations. Ensuring the security and privacy of user data will be absolutely crucial. Can Amazon handle the technical complexity of this upgrade? From a business perspective, the subscription model is a huge gamble. Introducing a paid subscription for the new AI-powered Alexa could alienate existing users who are accustomed to free access. If the perceived value doesn't justify the cost, adoption rates could be low. Amazon risks driving users away from the entire platform if the new version isn't successful or widely adopted. And despite the improvements, Amazon might still struggle to monetize Alexa effectively. If the subscription model fails, the company may face continued financial losses. This could be a sink or swim moment for Alexa. Let's not forget about the competition. Other companies are also investing heavily in AI-powered assistants. If Amazon's update isn't significantly better than the competition, it could lose market share. And technical glitches, AI hallucinations, privacy concerns, or user dissatisfaction with the subscription model could lead to negative press coverage and damage Amazon's reputation. This could be a PR disaster in the making. Plus, rumors suggest a limited initial release. This could frustrate many users who are eager to try the new features. Are you ready to be put on a waiting list for AI? Now, let's talk about the ethical considerations. AI models can be biased based on the data they are trained on. Alexa could perpetuate or amplify existing societal biases in its responses and recommendations, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. It may be difficult for users to understand why Alexa provides certain responses or takes specific actions. This lack of transparency could erode trust and raise concerns about accountability. Collecting and using user data to personalize the AI-powered Alexa raises ethical concerns about privacy and consent. Users need to be informed about how their data is being used and given control over their privacy settings. Is Amazon being transparent enough about how it uses your data? As Alexa becomes more capable of handling tasks previously performed by humans, there is a risk of job displacement. A more conversational and persuasive Alexa could potentially be used to manipulate or influence users' behavior, especially in areas like purchasing decisions or information consumption. And Amazon needs to ensure that the new AI-powered Alexa is accessible to users with disabilities. The update should not create new barriers for users with visual, auditory, or cognitive impairments. Is Amazon thinking about everyone, or just the average user? So, what's the verdict? Is Amazon's plan to charge for a premium AI-powered Alexa a bold gamble that will revolutionize the smart home, or an epic fail that will kill off a once-beloved voice assistant? The answer is, it's too early to tell. The success of this move depends on several factors: the quality and reliability of the AI, the perceived value of the subscription, the handling of data privacy, and the response from competitors. One thing is certain: this is a major turning point for Alexa and the smart home industry as a whole. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you willing to pay for a smarter Alexa? What are your biggest concerns about this update? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and analysis. I'll see you in the next video.